Are you stuck at home and don't know what to do because you're quarantined? Well, watch this video for about 25 tips on things you can do. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about how to stay busy and productive while being quarantined. So a few of the things that I did not mention in this video is things like painting or drawing or doing a coconut oil hair mask, because look at this hair. Looks like a Pantene Pro V commercial. Also, I've been in sweatpants for like a week and now I'm starting to get dressed up a little bit. Putting on a dress and a little bit of makeup goes a long way for myself. I feel like I could get more things done. And then for my husband, I don't want to be like some lazy slug around the apartment when I could be dressing up a little bit. So I'm not a lazy slug. I made this video, it took a lot of editing, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Read a nice book. Dry them with a towel and put them away. Light some sage, pretend that it's doing something. Play a card game with your roommate or your significant other. You know you have one of those dry brushes laying around? Well, now you can finally use it for the right reasons. Drain that lymph, baby. Swiffer your ceiling. Trust me, you guys, you're gonna be surprised what you find. I love pampering myself with a nice facial steam. Give it a try. It's on Amazon for like 25 bucks. Make yourself a beautiful meal. Do one of your favorite face masks, whether that is a sheet mask or I'm using a charcoal face mask that I love so much. Start a YouTube channel. Give a loved one a call. Try and make a fancy cocktail using egg whites or orange rind. Try stretching or yoga or literally anything that makes your body feel good. Take a hot bath with your favorite essential oils. Okay, you have to Google cutest animals ever. It's going to make your day. You're welcome. Try meditation. Just sit down, watch your breath, don't judge the thoughts, and just give it a shot. Dance like no one's watching, because literally nobody's watching. My husband's just watching TV. Oh, he noticed that high kick. You like that, babe? You want another one? There you go. Make your own unique list of things that you want to do while you have this time at home. Try experimenting with one of those cat eyes. It may or may not work. It might look like a sad cat eye, but give it a shot. Mine doesn't look too bad. What do you think? Get some paper and journal, write a poem, draw, create a business plan. Whatever it is, just get it out on paper. When I get home, I like to Lysol my doorknob, my car keys, and my cell phone.
No, don't spray me. Please don't.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below which one of these tips that you're going to try. And if you have your own, also let me know in the comments below, because you could inspire me and a bunch of other people watching this video so we can all prevent cabin fever, condo fever, apartment fever, studio fever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and please share this video with a friend that you think could definitely use these tips.